Have you ever wondered what actually makes a woman fall deeply in love? Not just lust, not attraction, but that quiet obsession where she can't stop thinking about you. Most men believe it's about looks, money, or status. But psychology says otherwise. A woman doesn't fall for a man because of what he has. She falls because of how he makes her feel in her mind, in her emotions, and in her sense of security. Today, we're going deep into female psychology, revealing the scientific and emotional triggers that make women fall in love, stay attached, and crave one specific man over all others. Stay till the end because I'll reveal the final stage most men never understand. The one that decides if she'll love you or leave you. Love for a woman begins in her mind, not her body. Her emotions are wired differently from a man's. Science calls it emotional sequencing. Women fall for men who first make them feel safe, then seen, then stimulated. First, safety. A woman can't love what she doesn't trust. If your energy is chaotic, controlling, or needy, she shuts down. But when she senses calm confidence, you trigger her first bond mechanism, emotional safety, being seen. Women crave recognition of who they really are, not flattery, but understanding. When you can mirror her emotions, not fix them, you become the man who gets her when no one else does. Stimulation. Once trust is built, her curiosity awakens. She begins to seek your energy, your ideas, your mystery. That's when emotional attraction transforms into romantic love. Researchers at the University of California found that when a woman feels emotionally connected to a man, her brain releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. In other words, she must feel both safe and excited around you. Too much safety means friend zone. Too much excitement means unstable attachment. Balance both, and she will emotionally invest in you without even realizing it. According to psychology, there are 5 stages in how women fall in love. 1. Curiosity. She's intrigued, not by your looks, but by your energy. You're different from the average man who seeks validation. 2. Admiration. She observes how you handle life, your discipline, your calm, your mission. This stage is where respect begins. 3. Emotional connection. She starts sharing personal details, testing your empathy. The more grounded your response is, the more she trusts you. 4. Vulnerability. Now she opens up emotionally or physically. Here, her love begins to solidify. 5. Emotional dependence. Finally, her thoughts, moods, and routines start to orbit around you. At this stage, if you remain composed and consistent, she'll see you as her emotional anchor, the man she can't easily replace. That's the secret. Women fall in love with the state of mind a man represents. If you live with purpose, emotional control, and calm confidence, she will fall for you. Not because you chase her, but because she feels elevated around you.